I am finally getting to the video that I said I was going to do with the wrenches from 10 Spot. So I decided, boom, okay, stealth mount. You guys have, well, maybe you don't know, but we sell stealth mount stuff. Actually, we sell stealth mount feet. So I got some stealth mount feet. I got, actually, I have a broken PACKOUT, but I'm going to show you a video of that. I'll replace the PACKOUT later. I'm just going to do a warranty video. And then I got some, for now, so I can get a workbench put together. Hey, it's fine. I'm doing a YouTube video.
What are you doing?
Well, I grabbed some scrap board and I got those broken PACKOUT, but I'm going to build the workbench.
Yeah, no, remember,
As long as
any
we
job
put the...
worth doing is worth doing right the first time, so I ran to Home Depot.
You went to Home Depot?
I went to Home Depot.
Did you give me a PACKOUT radio?
No, I did not get you a PACKOUT radio. I got you a butcher block for whatever it was that you were talking about doing. But, guess what? It was buy one, get one for $1. You said yours was broken.
Oh. Hey, this is the better 3-drawer.
I don't know. It was on sale.
Well, I guess I'm going to use that. And, interestingly enough, the 10 Spot tool drawer inserts fit in these. So, perfect segue. So, I've got to get this room cleaned up. I'm not going to show you how I'm building this workbench, but I am going to stop motion or whatever, fast forward it. And I'm also going to get that in order, and you guys will watch it in fast. And if you want to see more of how I built the workbench, let me know, comment below. And obviously, if you want to see more products that we sell, you go ahead to shop.jakeofall.com. We got tons of bulk feet and misting kits and all the other 3D printed stuff. So watch me get this organized. Okay, that's it. It's done. I don't know if you saw me inserting my wood on.
I'm trying to get you the longer piece. I don't really know what 6 inches looks like, so my base for measuring is a little skewed.
But the first thing that Jen was like, hello.
Bar cart.
Bar cart. So I did not install latches. Now, Stack Smarter, and I think I have them somewhere here, has some metal latches. I don't honestly know where they are. But his would be perfect for this. You would need to route a groove into the underside of this, and I don't know what I'm going to do long term with the bar top, but I have all this stuff, minus the gym, from 10 Spot Tools, so I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys closer, and let's take a look at it. Okay, so whether it is the 4-drawer units, or the 3-drawer like this, he has trays. I'm going to show you them in a second, but I need to empty this drawer, and I'm going to get everything set up on the table, and then we'll go over what he has. Oh, so many options. Okay, so Milwaukee already has a lot of options, which means 10 Spot has a lot of options. So we have ratcheting straight, we have ratcheting flex, and by that, right, this end has a little wobble on it, okay? And then we have SAE and metric. So if you have non-ratcheting, that has another option. So what we've got here is, if you, let's just do simple math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess that's not even math, that's counting. So what I'm gonna do, if you look here, all of our SAE are sort of right sides. Now, you could put them like this. Okay, he's got provisions for it to where they're going to fit in. But if you look, you take a metric, you take a standard, and you put it together like that, you have this little section that crosses over, okay? And that allows you to put this big bad boy in, this 1 inch, and it spans and goes across to the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to put 2 flexes in the same drawer so that my flex ones, right? Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the inserts in. We're gonna try to sort of line it up, and I'm gonna try to keep it a similar way, right? So these ones supposed to say F, these ones supposed to say R's. So I believe that's for our ratcheting. So I'm going to put that on that side and that on this side. Okay. So then I've got my regular here. Okay. These are the ones without the labels. And where do I put the other one? Hold on. Drop this here. So we should have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my flex shaft. I'll grab the 20 and I'm going to drop it in there. All right, grab the 19. So what I'm going to do, because this could be a long video and I know how much you love long videos, is I'm going to set this back up and we're going to unload all of these into these in fast forward. Okay, correction. So they flip. So the right side can flip around, the left side, and it lines up. Okay, but if you put 2 in a drawer like this, and you put a metric and an SAE, you get this cute little heart because you love your tools. Now, he's got a lot of drop downs as far as selection of colors, but we've got a lot of choices from Milwaukee tools. So this is a standard non-flex head. It can be for ratcheting or not, but he does specifically have ones for ratcheting, and they've got a little mark on it that says ratcheting. So you can see down here, I've got the regular SAE, okay? Got a spot in the back here for the big 1 inch. They all sit in here, and from an OCD standpoint, they line up really well. They're fixed into place, so they're not gonna rattle out and fall when you have this in your truck. We'll move over to the ratcheting. Now I tried flipping the heads in 2 different directions to see, because I know a lot of us like our tools a specific way. I don't know if you can see that. Here. Ooh, can you see that? Look at that. So those line up pretty well, and those line up pretty well. But if you put the open end towards here, it sort of lines up with that and allows you to have a nice little, fairly straight line. So, you know, for some of us that like PACKOUT, some of us happen to be a little OCD. So that fits in there pretty well. And then of course, because your SAE comes with a big 1 inch, when you put these 2 together, you can see it cradles that really well. Closes in there, looks good. And then boom, here we have our flex heads. Now, I tried these in 2 different directions and I didn't get a good fit with them like this. Maybe I just didn't spend enough time trying it. But I will tell you, I should check my box. That's what she said. But he also, aha, I'm off camera. Check this out. We have a badge to replace that. And look at these. Flex head wrenches, combination wrenches, and then ratcheting wrenches. Now, I will say, as far as ratcheting goes, if you get the flex head, it is technically ratcheting and flex head. So I would probably, OCD wise, say flex ratcheting. But I like this nice high contrast. You can see what he's done here. There's white background with red, so you can see it really well. And then you've got your opposite side, nice little divider. All of this is on black. This looks really good. I bet you he 3D prints these face down. That multicolor, that looks great. So let me get those installed in these before I head out. While you guys are maybe watching and fast forward and all that other stuff, go ahead and head over to shop.jakeofall.com because we actually sell all of his stuff right on our site. So I'm gonna get the badges on, and that way we can, see it all in its glory. Okay, so you saw I was smart and I upgraded to a rubber mallet. Here you can see them. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you a close-up. So, flex head, you see that practically installed like factory. Look at how nice those look. They clear the top. Ooh, I mean, this is like OCD greatness. And I like that I could put them in both directions. They're not gonna go anywhere. Super happy, love it. Let's look at this. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so if you flip them and you put the open end of the wrench down, things line up a little better. But either way you can do it to satisfy your own needs. And there you go. There is your regular combination wrenches. Looks like I need to go ahead and hit that in with the mallet. But the install is super easy, and let's end this video. Rubber mallet is your friend, saves your hands. But speaking of your friends over at the JakeOfALL, shop.jakeofall.com, and 10 Spot Tools. If you head over to our website, shop.jakeofall.com, and you order any of the 10 Spot Tool stuff, or really anything, buy a misting kit. Maybe not stickers. I don't even care. That's true, we don't have any. Somebody's gonna win this
I
package.
just gave that to you.
It was $1. I saw the receipt.
You know what? You enjoyed getting it, so I don't care what you do with it now. It's yours to give away.
But here's also the caveat, and this is the other reason why I want to do it through the website. Not because I'm trying to make money. Though that does help, because this...
Then I actually know your address, so I can ship it to you.
Thank you, because the last winner...
Still hasn't sent us any.
The winner of the laser. So, the Dovo laser video where we announced a winner, we said it out loud in the video after it, and then we replied to the comments. So you guys should watch your comments because we're gonna give it away to the next person if we don't hear back in a week. But how long do people have?
The next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks. So this is a Friday video, and you have 2 weeks to order, and you're gonna win this pack out. We're gonna cover the shipping. So we're just gonna...
We might even fill it.
We might even fill it with like bit holders. You don't know?
Among other things.
Among other things. All right, snack out. Reese's Pieces, Tootsie Rolls, and come on. Boom. It sits, it fits. It's cat approved. That's perfect timing. It's time for me to cat out.
Frankie wants dinner.
He's hungry. All right, I'll see you guys later. Head over to shop.jakeofall.com. You can get 10 spot tools. You can get all the Jonah Pope stuff that we print. You can get our misting kits. You can get all the other 3D printed goodness that you can see right there. I gotta actually clear this top off because I'm putting 3D printers on this. So I'll see you guys and say bye.
Bye.
I'll see you guys later. Look at it now. Everyone has a bar next to their packouts, next to their printers. But I wanted to come in, I wanted to sweeten the deal, plus show you the complete setup. I'm gonna give away the gray one as well. So you're gonna win the PACKOUT and you're gonna win the gray one here on YouTube. Only one I'm telling you about. So do me a favor, because it helps the system. Comment below if you want to see how I did the PACKOUT top, and then pretty much any purchase over at shop.jakeofall.com the next 14 days, like Jen said, will qualify, and free shipping, you name it. We're going to ship you out the PACKOUT, and we're going to ship you out the gray insert for the 10 spot tools. And look, I'm working on printing something right now. So you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching this video. It's PACKOUT. You guys love the PACKOUT stuff. Granted, it's a PACKOUT printer table, but it's a PACKOUT, and those inserts from 10 spot are awesome. You guys need to check those out. So head over to shop.jakeofall.com, and you guys have a good one. See ya.